I have a bit of a bat problem. When I let my flatware dry on the bats without wiring through, residue from the bats is left on the base of my pots. So at the suggestion of a viewer, I'm going to try using Tyvek to cover my bat. I've cut the Tyvek to fit my bats and I stick it down with a layer of slip. I make sure it's properly stuck down. So what is Tyvek? It's a waterproof, breathable fabric made from polythene, used in construction and printing, and you can buy it in small sheets or off the roll by the metre. So I take my clay and I centre. The clay I'm using is soft, which for me is ideal when making flatware. So now I bring the clay out wide. And I open up. And now I can form the walls. I compress the base. I find it important to compress the base really well when making flatware. This helps avoid cracking. Now I finish my tray and I'll set it aside to dry. Now that my clay is dry to leather hard, let's see how it releases. I give it a bit of a nudge and it slides off the bat. Interestingly, it lifts off the Tyvek too. And then I flip the tray and the bottom looks pretty good. I'm still going to trim a little, but it looks pretty clean. This is great for trimming. It's not quite as dry as it normally is when it releases. And of course I can rinse and reuse the Tyvek. So the Tyvek's a winner? Well, not so fast. There is, however, one proviso. I tried this with a firmer clay and I found that as I had to use more force with the clay, the Tyvek became dislodged. For more tray making, check out my large tray video. As always, happy potting!